In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the license plate light on your GMC K1500. This will be located on the rear bumper. Let's get started. Now we're under the car, looking at the back of our bumper. We're going to remove the clip for our plate light. Use a flat blade screwdriver and pop it up and out. Twist the connector for the bulb. And remove the bulb. Remove the plate light from the front of the bumper. Install the new plate light. We're going to install the bulb. Twist it to lock it in place. Install the clip, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.